All right. Hello, Facebook and Instagram. Hope everyone's enjoying their Friday. Since this is only my second time doing Facebook and Instagram Live at the same time, I have my phone and my computer, and one of them is showing me like in reverse. So it looks like I'm a mirror image right next to each other. I can't really describe it, but it looks really funny. So I'm laughing at myself. I see a couple of people joining over here on Instagram. Hello, happy Friday. Thanks for being here. Guys, it's a Friday afternoon of a holiday work weekend for many of you, and you're still joining. That is commitment. CML215, Gabrielle, hi, Gina, hi, Christy, hi, Corinza, hi. I see you over there on Facebook. Look at me multitasking with this. I'm pretty impressed. Now, I will say if you signed up for the challenge and I sent the email last night, well, I finished it last night. You got it 4 a.m. in the morning. Um, Actually, I hate when people say 4 a.m. in the morning. It should be just 4 a.m. or 4 in the morning. That's a double like description. Anyway, I linked to the video on YouTube and I realized it didn't have sound. Many of you pointed that out to me. Thank you. Still getting the technology working, so I re-uploaded a new one to YouTube. It does have the sound. In case you don't want Facebook or something like that, I will keep all of these recordings for you. If you are just popping on and you haven't registered for the challenge, here's what's going on. We're doing a 6-day mindful morning workshop. Today is day 2, and every day during the workshop, I walk you through a new step of my morning routine and challenge you to incorporate that step into your morning routine. So we're easing into it. Those of you who have been my clients before know that I do not like dramatic, abrupt changes that kind of make you feel like this is a diet or this is a new thing that I'm doing for a week or something. Easing into these changes is much more sustainable for most people. And so that's what we're doing with the morning routine. If you haven't registered yet, you can go to bit.ly/morning workshop, all lowercase, bit.ly/morning workshop. You'll get the worksheets and things like that. All right. Day 2, I'm going to make it speedy since it's Friday afternoon. And you know, when I say I'm going to make it speedy, that means it's going to be like 10 minutes instead of 20. I'm verbose. You know, I have a lot to say. First of all, you did a great job with the water. I loved seeing all your pictures of water, and I would love to hear how you feel if you felt more energized after drinking water first thing, if it was tough for you, if you noticed you drank less coffee later on. Hey, Ardith, I see you waving. How the experience of water went for you. Let me know in the comments here or by email or however you want to let me know. Today we're going to layer on affirmations. So you know we're spelling wake up, W-A-K-E-U-P, and we did water, W. We're doing affirmations tomorrow morning. Affirmations are gaining in popularity, but it's still one of those words, kind of like meditation, that people have different reactions to. So some people are like, yeah, affirmations, I could get behind that. Sounds good. I like positivity. And other people are like, affirmations, are you kidding? Are we going back to the 70s or something like that? I personally have found affirmations to be absolutely incredible for the way that I focus on my goals, the way that I remind myself of the person I want to be and how I show up in the world. And I resisted them at first as I read so many people reading affirmations and recommending them and all of this. I was like, oh, that's not for me. I kind of know my goals. You know, I set goals at the beginning of each year, at the beginning of each month. I know them. I don't need to refocus on them every single day. But I found the opposite to be true. When I did focus on and do focus on them every single day, something magic happens where my actions are much more in line with those goals because they're so top of mind. I have reminded myself of who I want to be and of my goals and my intentions every single morning. So I really believe in the power of the energy you project to the world, just like people say with dating. And I'm not dating since I'm married, but I can use this example. If people are like, I just can't find a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a spouse, a partner, or whatever, I'm trying so hard. I'm going on dates. I just can't find someone. Oftentimes, it's that something is not ready in them. They have some healing to go through, or they're kind of scared of getting in a relationship or commitment or something like that. They're just not projecting that energy. And the same thing applies to your health and to your goals, etc. So if we really get aligned with that energy that we want to project to the world, things start flowing a lot more easily. I know it sounds a little bit woo-woo, but go with me here. So again, why affirmations are powerful. They remind you of your goals every single morning. We train our brain to focus on that instead of, I don't know if you're like me, raise your hand, do a little emoji or give me a heart or whatever you do on these videos. If you're like me and you have that monkey mind hamster wheel going all the time, it's like, okay, what am I going to have for dinner? Should I change shoes tomorrow? Like, oh, what's Sally doing? Is Toby okay? Toby's my sister's dog who had stitches yesterday. Whatever, all these things going on in your monkey mind, and that is counterproductive to achieving your goals. But if you train your brain to focus, CML's giving me a thumbs up. She says, I already drink water in the morning, but had an extra glass. Awesome. If you train your brain to focus, that's so funny, guys. I said focus and then I got distracted. See, it's work in progress, right? For all of us. If you train your brain to focus on your goals, your actions will be more in line with those goals all throughout the day. So how do we write affirmations? First thing, we want to be in the present tense. So not, I will run a marathon in 2019, but I focus on my health and my fitness every single day so that I'm going to crush that marathon in 2019. Something that you're doing in the present now. We want it to be positive. So we don't write affirmations like, I don't emotionally eat. We write affirmations like, I am free from the urge to emotionally eat because X, Y, and Z. We want them to be believable. So a lot of people, when they think of affirmations, they think something like, I am a billionaire or something like that. And if your brain says, okay, Megan, no, actually, you're not a billionaire, check your bank account, then you have a lot of cognitive dissonance going on, and your brain, you don't get that actions going in line with your intentions thing that we want. So they have to be believable. A really great way to write an affirmation for something that's not yet true that you're working on is just to say that my actions every day are in alignment with getting me to this goal. So if you really did want to be a billionaire, you would say, I know what it takes to put $100 in savings every week, and that will get me to my goal, or whatever. You take a step that is leading to your goal, and you write your affirmation such that I am working on it now and it will happen in the future. And then last tip on writing your affirmations, you really want to feel them. You want to read these affirmations and kind of get like a little excited, a little tingly feeling. You want these affirmations to be really meaningful to you. I'm seeing Margaret, Allison, Jean-Marie, Betsy joining. Hi, guys. You want these affirmations to really be meaningful to you and to kind of light you up when you write them. No one wants to read through something every day that doesn't even get them excited. So let them light you up. If you could have a little cheerleading squad for you, cheering you along with your goals every single day, that would be amazing. All of us would be more successful, right? Because we feel that positive momentum and energy. That's what you're doing for yourself with affirmations in the morning. I personally spend a lot of time, like, I don't know, 3 hours or something like that at the beginning of each year, writing my affirmations based on my yearly goals and what I want to achieve and how I want to feel and how I want to interact with others, etc. And then I read those affirmations every single day throughout the whole year. Some other people like to do a different affirmation every day. That's cool. You experiment and see what works for you. Either way is great. Here's your challenge. Where's my handout? So on your handout, if you have this, it actually says your challenge, and then there are 2 affirmations. So that was just a typo. These are 2 examples of affirmations. I'm going to read them for you. Number 1 is I prioritize my health and think about what is truly serving me with each decision I make to take care of my body. Number 2 is actually one of my affirmations for 2018. I have 13 this year. And it is, I know exactly what needs to get done today to grow my business and myself, and I am committed to getting it done in a productive and efficient way. So that helps me focus on, okay, I don't have to, spin my wheels and figure out, should I go this way? Should I go this way? It's like, no, you know what needs to get done. Do it. Be productive, efficient. Don't waste time. Don't procrastinate. Don't get distracted by who knows what. That just reminds me of being productive and doing what I know it takes to be the person that I want to be and create the business that I want. Those are 2 examples. There are plenty of other affirmations. And if you go to the link that's on your worksheet, you'll see 10 others that I suggest for you. You don't have to do those at all. Create your own affirmations. Your challenge for tomorrow is to write 3 affirmations and to read them tomorrow. So first you're going to do your water, 16 ounces. Second, you're going to do 3 affirmations and just test them out. See how it goes. The ideal scenario, which to be honest, I don't do every day, is to look at yourself in the mirror and say your affirmations while looking in the mirror into your eyes. What I do on 50% of the days is I just sit at my desk and I read my affirmations out loud or to my dogs. And that's good. And then the other 50% of the days, I just read them like in my head. I stare at the paper, I read them, but I'm actually feeling them and thinking about them. And those are all fine options. I don't think you need to ascribe to any particular correct way to do affirmations. Whatever feels great to you is great to you. Gabrielle says, yes, awesome. I like it. I wonder if Gabrielle already does affirmations. Let us know. That's super awesome. Okie dokie. So water and then 3 affirmations, and you still are working on that 5-minute extra buffer time for your wake up and no snooze. So I saw a couple of you in your comments today already succeeded in not snoozing, and I'm really, really proud of you for that. That's amazing. Let's try it again tomorrow. So tomorrow, you may not have anything to do at a certain time. It's Saturday. You may sleep in as long as you want. That's totally cool. But if you are getting up at a certain time, continue the no snooze challenge. And because it's Saturday, remember yesterday I told you we're doing this intentionally over a weekend because I believe that a morning routine should be done every single day. It can be done at different times. It can be done in different fashions, whatever. But water and affirmations together, guys, really take like 2 minutes total. And you can do that even on a Saturday. I promise. If you do it on a hard day like Saturday, you can do it absolutely any time. You can do it on vacation. You can do it wherever and whenever. So challenge yourself to do this. It's only 2 minutes. You can do it. Post pictures of whatever. You can post a picture of yourself looking in the mirror. You can just shoot me a message of what your affirmation is, but I want to be able to cheer you on and continue using that hashtag LS Wake Up Challenge. Tomorrow's video is going to be at 2 p.m. Central, and I will talk about the K that we're adding on for Sunday. So now if there are any questions, I'm happy to answer those about morning routines, affirmations, water, anything else. But I don't see any. Here's the deal. I think it's Friday afternoon and you guys are ready to get rocking. So I will wish you well on your Friday. I will ask you to say something nice to yourself even tonight. Do something nice for your body in terms of drinking more water tonight. Even if you're going to drink alcohol, try to alternate your alcohol with water. If you're going to enjoy ice cream or a treat or who knows what, just enjoy it. No guilt. Just really do what's right for your body and for your mind tonight. But don't forget about your vegetables either. Don't forget about doing the things that truly make your body and your mind and your soul happy. That's what the weekend is all. That's what every day is all about. Betsy says, thank you so much, Megan. You're awesome. You are awesome too. Oh, excuse me. You are awesome too, Betsy. I just ate a frog. All right, everyone, do something amazing for yourselves today. Have a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.